understanding the phrase, wall in, enhance your English skills. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we've got a very interesting phrase to explore. Wall in. We're going to break it down, look at its meaning, and go through some examples together. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to use wall in your daily conversations and writings. So, let's dive in and unpack this phrase. The phrase, wall in, is a phrasal verb that can be used in a few different contexts. Generally, it refers to enclosing or surrounding a space or area with walls. This can be taken literally, as in constructing physical walls around something, or it can be used more metaphorically to describe a situation where someone feels trapped or confined. Example 1. Literal usage. They decided to wall in the patio to create a more private space. Here, wall in is used to describe the action of building walls around the patio to enclose the space. Example 2. Metaphorical usage. After the scandal, she felt walled in by the media and couldn't escape the scrutiny. In this example, walled in is used metaphorically to describe the feeling of being surrounded and overwhelmed, even though there are no physical walls involved. Using wall in correctly in a sentence depends on the context. Here are some guidelines to help you master its usage. Guideline 1. Physical enclosure. When talking about physically enclosing something, make sure the object being enclosed is clear. Correct. They walled in the garden to protect it from deer. Incorrect. They walled in to protect the garden from deer. Guideline 2. Metaphorical enclosure. When using wall in metaphorically, think about whether the subject of the sentence is feeling trapped or confined. Correct. He felt walled in at his job, with no opportunities to grow. Incorrect. He walled in at his job, with no opportunities to grow. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, wall in. We hope this video has clarified its meaning and usage for you, and that you feel more confident incorporating it into your English vocabulary. Don't forget to practice using it in sentences, both in writing and speaking, to reinforce your learning. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious. Happy learning!